Make no mistake, this is one of the most visible native restoration projects in the country. Imagine if we had every single person in our community planting trees up on that whenua, on the maunga, on the mountain. Every time you drive past, you look up and you see that you're capable of having a positive impact on the environment.
I'm really excited about this project because a big part of what we do is what WCG, controlling wilding conifers supported by the MPI National Wilding Conifer Program. We don't have the resource to do what this vision entails. We can go as far as controlling these pests, but our remit and our direction is to control the wilding conifers, and then we can't go as far as the replanting. Across the Coronet faces the last couple of years, we've had a huge input. We've put hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of work on the Coronet faces, controlling wilding conifers. And I'm really looking forward to working with these plants to make sure we're not going to be spraying where the trees are planted.
Thanks.
But it's a mixture of different control methods, and some of those control methods, it is the labour component. It's sometimes $1,000, $2,000 per hectare just to cut it with chainsaws. Sometimes the aerial spraying could be $800 a hectare, could be $1,500 a hectare, depends on the type of species and challenges. But the biggest challenge we have are the neighbours. One thing that we need help with across the entire program across the country is expanding that knowledge, that whānau that we have, that it's the neighbours upwind or downstream or all over the place that have that seed source that's going to reinfect these areas. So we're going to invest a huge amount of effort from the community to replant these areas, which is fantastic, but it's just going to get reinvaded if the neighbours aren't coming on board. I'm really enthusiastic about all of this, and I want to help out as much as we can planning projects, but I'd like the community to advocate for continuing the government push on wilding conifers and continuing supporting the rest of the community to come to the table about their trees that they own that are going to reinfect these areas.